Deja Russell, owner and travel advisor of Destination E Travel Agency. Make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And to my right is my lovely sister.
Hi guys, my name is Karibana.
And we're actually coming to you live from Dreams Karibana, Cartagena. It's a new resort that was opened up of May of this year. And we're actually checking it out for you guys and let you know our thoughts about it. So Karibana, what was your highlight at the resort?
The highlight of the resort is the decor and the scent. They have a really lovely scent here. They have a lot of African art. They also have a lot of like pictures of Colombia all over the hotel. It's really nice. And when we got here, they gave us a welcome drink. They gave us a glass of champagne. So it was really nice of them.
And a cup of coffee. So the highlight of the resort for me was actually the spa. We actually had a spa treatment together, a tension relief massage, and it was really good. The masseuse actually got up on the table to like massage and get all the tension out of my back, and it was really good. I left for a good tip. Thank you so much. I needed it. Yeah. So Karibana, what was your favorite dish or restaurant at the resort?
So last night in the buffet we had Italian night, and it was a lot of different types of Italian food. They had pizza, prosciutto, a lot of breads. But however, I'm a pescatarian, so I don't eat meat. So it was a lot of meat options here that I couldn't really partake in. So my sister asked one of the staff members to make me a dish, make me a pasta, because that's what I wanted. I wanted pasta. And he asked her, what type of noodles do you want? What type of meat do you want in here? So he made me a salmon vodka penne sauce pasta, and it was really good. Like they really seasoned it well. It was really good.
She let me get like 3 noodles and a piece of salmon, and it was pretty tasty. So what I like about the resort is that they actually have authentic Colombian food. People were naming like different dishes at our cooking class, and we were like, yeah, we had it at our resort. So one of my favorite things was actually the steak with chimichurri sauce, and they infused it with blue cheese, and it was pretty tasty. We also had fried fish today from the same place, Oceana Grill. That was pretty good as well. So Karibana, what was the highlight of your trip in Colombia?
The highlight of the trip in Colombia was the cooking class that we took. We made 5 courses, and one of my favorite things that we made was a fish wrapped in banana leaf, and we made like a white wine sauce with salsa and everything. It was really good. And we also made fried plantains with salsa on top, and this shrimp stir fry that we made and put on top, and it was really good. I really want to recreate it when I get home.
And what was also the highlight of the trip for me was we actually had a photo shoot. Shout out to our photographer Anna. It was actually in the walled city, so it was beautiful pictures, beautiful balconies and architecture,
murals on the walls.
And we looked really beautiful, and we were stopping traffic. We made the Colombian men's morning, and they even like, it's okay, can we stop and watch?
Can
like,
we look? Can we
see? Go ahead and see. So it was really a nice experience. And, with the pandemic, I feel like I haven't got a chance to really like get dressed and put my makeup on. So it just was all around fun experience.
Yes.
So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. My lovely sister helped me today. We actually did a site inspection. So we want to share some more photos and videos with you of the resort. Hello. Hello.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. They been harassing us this whole trip. They knocked on the door like 2 times this morning.
So thank you for tuning in. If you need help with your trip to Colombia, I will leave in my link below where you can schedule a call with me, or if you want to travel anywhere in the world, I'll be able to assist you. So like I said, stay tuned to watch more videos and photos of the resort, and like I said, subscribe to the channel. You don't know where we'll be going next, and we can't wait to share it with you.
And if you like all things travel, just follow us, and we'll keep you updated on our trips and show you the world as we see it. So thanks again for tuning in. Bye.